Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to remove a contact from WhatsApp using your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your WhatsApp application. Then now just go ahead and search for the user that you want to remove on your WhatsApp. So there's the user, for example. So just go ahead and click on his or her username. Click on the edit button at the upper right corner of your screen and click on delete contact. And what you can also do is to just go ahead and go to your contact before I will delete this on my WhatsApp. So click here, search for the name. So click on the edit button at the upper right corner of your screen. Scroll down until you see delete contact. So just go ahead and click on that. Click on delete contact. Now let's go back on WhatsApp. So now as you can see that this user is now deleted or removed from my contacts. So that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.